Hey there, boys and girls. Here we go. We are on day number 3 of our March daily math. All right. So we have the number 502, and we want the number that is 10 less, and we want the number that is 100 less. Well, the number that's 100 less, what's 1 less than 5? Okay. Well, that's 4. So there's 100 less. Now 10 less, we're going to cover that up. What's 1 less than 59? We count back by 1, right? So 1 less, because that's 50 tens, 1 less than 50 is 49. And then we put a 2 in the ones column, all right? Now let's see. Number 2 says, color a third of this rectangle. So it doesn't matter which one you color in here, okay? And I'm just going to kind of do my masterpiece, right? Masterpiece, because I don't need to make it too fancy. This is math, not art. Number 3, finding a 4-leaf clover is lucky. Finn has 48 4-leaf clovers. Wow, that's really lucky. His friend has 23. How many more does Finn have than his friend? Okay, so we're comparing the 48 with the 23. Comparing them means we're going to be subtracting, and we know 48 is larger than 23, so we're going to subtract 23 from 48, or 48 minus 23. 8 minus 3 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. So how many more does Finn have than his friend? 25 more. More 4-leaf clovers. Okay, number 4. Finn's mystery number. Ooh, these are always great. Finn is thinking of an even number. Okay, so I know what evens are. Those are the ones with, if we divide them by 2, they do not have a remainder. Finn is thinking of an even number. It is the number that equals a dozen. Where have I heard that before? A dozen. A dozen. Dozen. Wait, hey, a dozen eggs, right? When we go to the store and we buy a dozen eggs, that is 12. That's where I've heard that before. A dozen. All right, and number 5. Lucky Charms, marshmallows in Emma's bag. Emma has a bag of Lucky Charm marshmallows. How many moons and stars are in her bag? So I want moons and stars, okay? So here's moons. How many moons are there? See, moons, there are 13 moons. And stars, 7 stars. And we're combining them. It says and. So how many moons and stars do we have, right? Okay, well, 13 plus 7. That is the number 20. Okay, there we go. 20 moons and stars. We get bonus coins. You see that? There's one. And there's one. You can earn up to 2 bonus coins today. All right, kiddos. We will see you tomorrow for day number 4.